there everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm putting anti-inversion shackles in my Blue 60. So in this video specifically, I'm going to be giving you a tour of my buddy's Fj55. It's a really unique Land Cruiser. It's not one that you see every day. Jamie has actually bought a whole bunch of parts from me, and I went out to his house and delivered some Fj60 axles to him. So I'm gonna give a quick rundown of the truck. He doesn't really know too much about his Fj55. He knows it's been to Burning Man quite a few times, but other than that, has no motor or trans, and he's gonna be swapping it with a 2F and Fj60 transfer case and transmission 4-speeds. So I hope you enjoy this episode. It's gonna be a quick one. If you have any questions about it, let me know and I'll try to answer what I can. Well, the shackles are all done. I really hope that you enjoyed that video of the Fj55 Iron Pig. I really like that truck. I wish I could make it my own, but you know, you can't have them all. If you did enjoy the video, I'd really appreciate if you could subscribe, like, and share these videos, as it really keeps me motivated to keep editing stuff like this for you. So cheers, and we'll see you in the next video.